Hello everybody. In this video I'd like to explain about my local SEO expert website. See, this is a hottest one right now. Okay, people need to be visible in local Google searches. Okay, so traditional it's competing with traditional mediums like TV, radio, newspaper, magazine, flyer, browser, everything. Okay, there's a big change happening all across the globe. See, this is my website localseoexpert.co.in, savior of small, local and medium-sized business. Okay, everybody knows this. If you have a business, if you have a physical stores, a brick and mortar store, or have a talent, you should be visible to people searches. See, check for yourself in Google whether you are visible. If not, I can handle that job for you. We can have a discussion. Okay, we can have a code, and we can proceed with the project. And each project is different. It depends upon the intensity and magnitude of the competition for that particular city. Okay, see, please go through this home page. See, mobile devices have become very dominant nowadays. 70% internet searches happen through mobile devices and only 30% are desktop searches. Local SEO expert can help you provide new advertising opportunity, new channel of customers depending upon your nature of business. See, I want to make a big change to the world. Okay, I don't want you to waste lot of money on newspaper, magazine, TV ad, radio. By default, everybody is searching through mobile. Okay, through desktop. If your business is not visible through these particular platforms, I'm very sure you're just leaving a lot of money on the table. Okay, you're just doing industries to yourself. See, please go through this. In that, 2 out of 5 searches are about people looking for local business, say like restaurant, plumber, electrician, lawyer, doctor, and many profiles through Google search. I mean Google local search. Okay, we do Google Maps listing and all the citations and all those related work. It means local SEO website. The business listed in top 7 track in Google search gets the lion's share of visitors. Okay, see, do you ask me where to put the dead body? It's in the second page of the Google. Okay, if you want to be visible in Google, you should be visible in the top 10. Okay, at least you should be visible in the top 10 or at least in the top 5. Okay, I have no time and technical expertise on how to do this. Is it complicated for you? Don't worry, local SEO expert can do this on your behalf for a specific fee. See, the power of newspaper is only 9 to 6 pm. Okay, after 6 pm, see, most of them agree with me. And magazine, okay, most of the magazines are only what to say are weekly based or once in 15 days it gets replaced by the other edition or once in 30 days. Okay, it adds its own restriction and limitation. But when it comes to internet, if you are visible in Google local searches, definitely the sky is the limit. Okay, you get a platform. Okay, a tides of hungry buyers waiting to do business with you. Okay, see, I am from India and the services are cheap here compared to all other countries. They're cheap compared to other countries. Please contact me on Skype, WhatsApp, email. We can have a discussion. Whatever it is, okay, I can get you the best deal. I can promise you, I can get you the best deal. One more thing, see, there are certain niches, say hotel or tourism, but the competition is very severe. Okay, I think ranking is very different, and your competitor won't let it go. They also will be doing the same thing. But most of the businesses which I come to know, it's like a easy win. Okay, only few tweaks, definitely we can make you number one. Okay, but regarding the competition, we need to discuss about that. It's an exception. Okay, please go through this website. Not only that, we offer certain services. Say we do local places listing plus maximum possible citations and local SEO optimized website. See, I am also a professional web designer. We can integrate payment gateway, responsive layout, and all the top-notch features and supports all niches. Okay, we can do this job for you. Okay, if you need a flashy website, I mean VIP premium website, we can do this job for you. Online reputation management. Okay, most of them have some kind of integration, some kind of issues. We know how to do this. Okay, we know how to handle this. See, contact me personally for this same online reputation management, data mining and web scraping. Okay, online PR campaigns. Okay, I can even help you to get video opportunities if you are based in particularly Europe and North America. Okay, handling social media projects, design and configure ads for Google AdWords, YouTube test ads, mobile ads, email ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Reddit ads, StumbleUpon, Pinterest and Instagram. Okay, we have done these things and I'm even willing to teach you the same, so you can do on your own if appropriate. See, I'm also a small-time graphic designer and can design highly converting logos, infographics, flyers, brochures, visiting cards, deals, coupons, thank you notes and more. International SEO projects, ranking websites and YouTube videos, high on local searches. Get your business featured in top online media. We also do SEO recovery process. See, due to Panda and Penguin update, most of them lost their rankings overnight. Okay, and there is a proper strategy. Okay, there are certain strategies to overcome them. Okay, certain tweaks to remove these particular restrictions. Okay, and link building we do white hat SEO only, and design banners, images for Pinterest and Instagram. Okay, most of them want to know they need to have a platform from Instagram, Pinterest, but they don't know whom to start. Okay, we can help you to get your account and lot of what to say viral images. Okay, we can configure such kind of images. So people like to follow you. They're very eager for your next message. Okay, no time ever willing to explain the nature of the project, we can have a conversation of interest. Okay, this is my Skype ID. Please, this is my contact details. Please look the description box below. You can contact me directly for the same. Okay, fast response, ping me on WhatsApp and Skype. Thanks for watching.